my old components here on this steering linkage. I'm going to take off these steering arms here on each side. Keep these, clean them up. I've got brand new tie rod, inner and outer tie rods, and new sleeves coming. So, and I also picked up a brand new center link, this piece right here. This is the idler arm, so I'm going to take this off and clean this up, press this bushing out, and I've ordered a new bushing for there. And as soon as these parts get in, we'll be ready to put it all back together. Alright, we got the idler arm off here. Just need to press out this bushing. And these steering arms, we're going to go ahead and get these all blasted. And the rest of this is going in the trash. Alright, we got the inner and outer tie rods and the sleeve. So we'll see if these fit. Alright, I got my radiator support from eBay today, and came with the horns and this centerpiece, which I did not have. A nice solid piece of metal, so I can go ahead and blast that and get that in shape. This is the old one that I had, which is, as you can see, deteriorated, not usable. It's just rusted and missing a bunch of parts. So I'll go ahead and throw this old one away and get this one ready to go for paint. Alright, getting ready to dustless blast these parts, and we'll see how these turn out in a few minutes. Alright, that one was a fail. Looks like that my sand is still slightly damp, and it needs to sit out in the sun on a hot day in these trays for a good long time to get dry before it's going to go through that gun. So we're going to wait on that and try again another day. Okay, what we got here today is a new rear end for this car. The other rear end was completely trashed, not even fixable, so that was disposed of. And I've got the new E-body housing. It's a Mopar E-body from the 70s, and looks like it's in real nice shape, painted. I've got a 489 case here. So also got the Sure Grip differential. Everything looks real nice on this. All the bearings are good. I've got the retainers and the yoke and pinion gear, and everything is in real good shape. So I bought this from a guy locally and saved a good $1,500 over what I was going to spend on eBay for something like this. So it was worth driving about an hour and a half away and going to get. And now I'm going to be looking for all the parts I'm going to need to hook this thing up, and some brakes, and we'll get us a rolling chassis here before too long. This is a 430 gear ratio, so it's going to be fast off the line, which is what I wanted. Alright, now that we got that rear end, I'm going to have to look for some new leaf springs. I'm not quite sure which ones I need to order, but I'm going to do a little bit of research. I need to get some the hangers here and the bushings, and we'll see about that tonight. So I went ahead and ordered the leaf springs from Stingle Brothers. I searched around online, and this was the only place I could really find them. They were these 57 to 59, where is it? Right here. Leaf springs. And then I went and measured everything, made sure it was the correct dimensions. Alright, after searching around online, I was a little bit confused about which bushings I need, so I went back to Stingle Brothers and just ordered the ones that I should have got in the first place, but I didn't realize I should have got them there. So there's another $17.85. But I do have the bushings that'll go in there to those leaf springs. Okay, doing some ordering from eBay. I've got the idler arm bushing for that steering linkage, $56. I ordered some genuine Mopar U-bolts to hang those, hang that rear end on the springs, and those were $62.77. I got some 3-degree pinion shims for about 24 bucks. Ordered rear shock absorbers, about 50 bucks. And I ordered a set of rear leaf spring shackles with the bushings. Came out to about 45 bucks. So all in all, I'm looking good. Now I'm going to have to find the brakes and tires